Opening a Shopify store in Saudi Arabia has become quite straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your own Shopify store in Saudi Arabia. First, navigate to Shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. Next, select the type of store you want to create, such as an online store, and proceed to the next step. Then, choose a plan or select I'll decide later if you're unsure. Now, you need to select UAE as your location, even if you're in a different country like Pakistan. After that, log in or sign up, and you'll be directed to the store creation page. Click on Create Store to begin setting up your store. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, customize your store according to your preferences. This includes organizing products, selecting a theme for your online store, and finally, publishing your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own Shopify store in Saudi Arabia. I hope you found this guide helpful.